A covered drive-up entry to a 4-story apartment building in brown, tan, and brick. Sign, 55+, active living, 55+. Water flows over several flat fountain spouts and a brick wall into a rectangular basin. An L-shaped swimming pool and a sunny concrete courtyard beside the apartment building. People sit at round outdoor tables on a patio beside the fountain. They raise glasses and smile. Men chat on a putting green. A woman plays keyboard outside with an open guitar case in front of her. Sign, Jessica Herring. People get drinks at an outdoor bar and sit in upholstered outdoor seats around a fire pit. Staff in red cardigans cut a ribbon, open the door, and help fill out paperwork. Sign, Album Quail Springs, Carefree 55+ living. A large common room with bright pendant lights and many tables and chairs. People enter a small theater with black leather recliners, a hair salon, a gym. Custom crafted Album Quail Springs, Carefree living 55+ active adult.